This is gonna blow your mind. Sharks don't sneeze like we do. In fact, what you think is a sneeze is actually something wild. Ready for this? When sharks look like they're sneezing, they're actually doing something called gastric eversion. Basically, turning their stomach inside out through their mouth. It's their way of cleaning out anything gross they've swallowed. Imagine emptying your stomach like a pocket. Pretty wild, right? So next time you see a shark sneeze, just remember, it's not allergies, it's shark science.